Now the very first thing that you have to do is create a file and name it index.html like this. Give the boilerplate, give the title as smooth scrolling with vanilla JS. The next thing, we'll add some text so that we have something to scroll. So for that we'll create 4 sections. Inside every section we'll have each one with the text heading, and then we'll have a paragraph as well, and inside that paragraph we will have some dummy text 2 times like this. And let's open it with live server. Here we go. Now we'll create style.css and link it in our index.html like this, style.css. Here we go. And in the style.css, first of all, the very basic stylings that no one should forget to add. And then to body I'll give a background of black and the color of white like this. And the next thing is we'll come to section, give height 100 VH, width 100%, display flex, justify content center, align item center like this. And if you see, here we go. So the heading and the paragraph is coming side by side because of display flex. So if we do not want that, so we can say flex direction, and the default property is row, we can change it to column. So we have flex direction column. And let's add a padding 2. So padding would be 10%. Here we go. And we do not have to focus on the stylings because it is barely important for this project. We should focus on smooth scrolling and just smooth scrolling for this video. So I'll not increase the length of the video by telling you how to style this page, but we'll move on to the way where we can discuss how to create smooth scrolling. And for that, just go to github.com/any-24, go to the repositories tab, and then come to this smooth scroll page. And now just click on this green button. That's it. Good. And don't worry, the link of everything would be in the description, so you do not have to worry about the links. Now click on this green button that says code. Click on this button and that will copy this code, sorry, not the code but the link. And now open git bash. So I'll search for git bash because we are working with git and github right now. So if you do not know what git and github is, so you can go and watch some tutorials out for git and github as well. But to explain it simply, GitHub is just a place where we store all our codes, and Git is a version control system that helps us save our code and see when we made which changes, kind of that. Now in this git bash I'll clone my project. So this is the command git clone, and that will clone the project or clone the code that we had on that website because we have copied the link. So this will clone all the code that was at that page and we'll put it here. So it is taking everything from this, we have this page, we have this page, so it will take everything from here and add it in our folder. So one thing that I missed out is I had to first tell the computer that where should it be placed, and I did not tell, so it added at the default location. But I want to tell to Git that you have to clone that project in the folder that I'm currently working on, and for that I'll give the location to it. So the location is this one. So we went to the location, and here I'll run the same command git clone shift insert to paste the link, and here we go. So we have this folder smooth scroll over here, and that has a file called smoothscroll.js, and inside it we have all the code that we do not have to look on. There are some properties that we can change, but for now I'll just add that JavaScript file in my HTML. So I'll say script src and then smoothscroll.js. So I added that file, and with that, by just adding that, we have added the smooth scrolling effect. Look at this, super cool. And now if you want to change the speed and change the smoothness or anything like that, you can just go into this file, and we have do not change anything, but the only thing that you have to change is the parameters here, or sorry, the arguments here. Here it is the speed. If we change the speed all the way to 1000, you can see the speed is very sudden, and you do not want the user to, like, nobody will want this speed. So let's go with 10. 10 would be very less. So see, this is the speed 10. I do not want that. The spot that I like is 150. This is good. And the next one is smoothness. So if we change this smoothness all the way to 1000, see the smoothness. The speed is the same, but see, this is smoothness. I'm not scrolling it, but due to the smoothness, this is the result. If we change it all the way to 1, see, it is like this. Now the spot that I like is 12. So these are my preferences. You can customize your preferences according to your liking, but these are the spots where I like it the most. So yes, with that we have completed our today's project, and if you like the video, hit that like button down below. Make sure to follow me on github.com and hit the like button down below. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and press that bell icon to get the instant notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.